Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you what to do when you're out of breadcrumbs but still want to fry some delicious food. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of making a recipe that calls for breadcrumbs, only to realize you're all out? Don't worry, I'll be sharing some easy and tasty alternatives that you can use instead. Are you ready to learn some new frying tips and tricks? Let's get started. First, let's talk about some common pantry staples that can be used as breadcrumb substitutes. Crushed crackers, cereal, or even crushed nuts make great alternatives. Cornflakes can also be crushed and used as a breading for fried foods. Simply crush them in a plastic bag using a rolling pin or food processor. Another option is to use flour as a coating for frying. Mix some flour, salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you like in a shallow dish. Dredge the food through the flour mixture before frying. If you're looking for something gluten-free, you can use ground seeds such as chia or flax. Mix them with some seasonings and use them to coat your food before frying. If you're frying fish, you can also try using cornmeal. It gives a nice crunch and has a subtle sweetness that pairs well with fish. Remember to adjust the seasoning accordingly to your taste and the type of food you are frying. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll give them a try the next time you're out of breadcrumbs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and seasonings to find the perfect coating for your fried foods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. See you next time.